Hello, in this video I will show you how to connect your Wearfit Pro smartwatch to your phone and set the time and date. The first step is to turn on the watch and select your language. Scan the QR code in the instruction manual or on the watch and install the application on your phone. Turn on Bluetooth and GPS location on your phone and make sure that your phone has an internet connection. Open the application on your phone and follow the steps shown in the video to connect your smartwatch to your phone. You will need to register in the app and enter your email address and country to access the application. You will receive an OTP on the email address and then you will need to enter a password. Once connected, the time and date will update automatically on the smartwatch. You can now follow the instructions shown in the video to receive notifications on your smartwatch. Here is a video on how to set the wallpaper on this smartwatch. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel.